My travel makeup bag got a little too big, so I'm trying to find all my favorite products in travel sizes. But what takes the most room in my bag? Full-sized makeup brushes. So you can imagine how happy I am to find a set of high-quality makeup brushes in the Bella Mini Travel Makeup Brush Set with Mirror Travel Case. The Bella Mini Travel Makeup Brush Set comes with a face blender brush, a cream shadow brush, a dry eyeshadow brush, and an ultra-fine eyeliner brush. The 4 essential brushes cover all of your touch-up needs and come in a gorgeous silver case with a mirror built right in. They are premium quality brushes, no brush fallout, and they are made of high-quality materials. And my makeup bag is lighter. Find the Bella Mini Travel Makeup Brush Set at the link in the description.